In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Hubstaff app on Windows. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. Once you're there, click into the search bar and type in Download Hubstaff app on Windows, then press enter to search. This will bring up the most relevant results related to downloading the Hubstaff desktop application for a Windows computer. From the search results, look for the correct Hubstaff download page and click on it. As you do this, take a moment to make sure you're opening the official Hubstaff website so you know you're downloading the app from a trusted source. That helps you avoid unofficial pages or outdated download links. After the page opens, you should see options for different devices or operating systems. Since this tutorial is specifically for Windows, find the device selection area and change the device to Windows if it is not already selected. This is an important step because Hubstaff provides versions for multiple platforms, and choosing Windows makes sure you get the correct installer for your computer. Once Windows is selected, look for the Download button and click on Download. This will begin downloading the Hubstaff app for your Windows device. Depending on your browser, you may see the file appear at the top right corner of the window, at the bottom of the screen, or inside your Downloads folder. If the download takes a few moments, that's completely normal and can depend on your internet speed. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the file after clicking download, check your browser's download section to confirm that the installer was saved successfully. It's also a good idea to wait until the download is fully complete before trying to open it. That's all you need to do to download the Hubstaff app on Windows. The main process is simply searching for the download page, opening the correct result, switching the device option to Windows, and clicking the download button. If you follow those steps carefully, you should have the installer ready on your computer